All right. Welcome back to Rituals. Okay, so if you've been following the channel, you know that my channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips. And lately I've been focused more on the money tips because I've been trying to give people some great advice about how to manage money. And speaking of that, if you haven't done so yet, go get my latest book, Common Sense. I'll leave the link in the description below. It teaches you how to manage money, how to get out of debt, things of that nature. I also released another book recently called How to Grow Your Instagram Following Organically. My other Instagram page, M2_BlackEagle, go over there, give that one a follow, and go check it out. I grew that one from 391 followers to 5,000 followers in 4 months. So I wrote a book showing you guys exactly what I did, all my methods of how to grow your Instagram following that quickly, organically, without paying anyone, without paying for anything. You got to put in work though. So go. I'll leave the description and the links to both of those books in the description below. All right. But today's video is for my sneakerheads. I haven't given you guys any content for a while, and I apologize. I've been so focused on writing these books that takes a lot of my time. But I'm going to start blessing you guys with some more videos. So today's video is for my sneakerheads. And actually this week I have 2 other videos coming up. There are shoe reviews. So stay tuned for those. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post more content. So with that being said, today's video is about this right here. My sneakerheads know what this is. This was a pickup I got from Supreme. Now, like I said, my channel is based off car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips. Even when I talk about my sneaker stuff, I also talk about possibly reselling things. So a possible way to make some more passive income. With this was a potential to make some possible income. And I wanted to show you guys that it didn't work out as well as I thought it was, but there was still profit made if I chose to sell this. So I picked this up last Thursday from Supreme for $36. I think with the tax and everything, it came out to roughly like $40. With shipping, if this was the only item I had, the shipping would have been about $8 bucks. So I think it came out to like $48. If you got this solo. But if you bought other items, you pay for shipping for everything. So you didn't really pay for shipping for this if you bought other items. So let's do the scenario as if I had other items. So if we had other items besides this one, this right now is going on StockX for $50. That's the lowest asking. The lowest bid though, the lowest asking is $55, and the lowest bid is $50 right now. So if I was to sell this at the lowest bid for $50 on StockX, my return on investment, actually my payout would be $41.50, meaning that on a $36 product, I think I paid $2 of tax, it would have been $38. The profit would have been roughly $3.50 off each of these. So the more I would have had of these, that would have been the profit margin if I sold it at $50 rate on StockX. So that's just to show you guys how you can make some supplementary income. I know that's a small amount, but if you had like 10 of these, then that would be $30, and you just keep multiplying as such. Now sometimes it works out a little differently. Sometimes you buy some of these for $36 and people are willing to pay upwards of $100 per item. So you just never know. Also, the shipping was a little delayed because it came from New York. With everything that's going on, so shipping was a little delayed. USPS and UPS. But anyway, we got it. And once I got it in hand, I actually realized that I actually like it. So I'm keeping it. It's not going to be resold. I'm actually going to keep it. So let's open this thing up. Give you guys some B-roll. show you what it looks like. A lot of colors. It's fall season, so like I said, I'm actually digging it because I got some shoes coming that have different colors, different colorways, and I got some outfits that I'm gonna purchase soon. And yeah, it kind of has that Martin Lawrence theme, hint hint, as far as the new clothing line by Martin Lawrence. Go give Martin Lawrence a follow and go check out his new clothes. They're pretty cool, but it kind of has that theme to it, kind of like the African vibe as well, all the multicolors. But yeah, I'm feeling it. And to show you guys I'm keeping it, bam, there we go. So that's what it looks like on the head. So there you go. Just a short review. It's just a beanie, nothing special. Just give you guys a look. But that's it. The multicolor beanie by Supreme. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I kind of broke down how much resale would be, so you guys will know. And yeah, Supreme does drops every Thursday, just so you guys are wondering. I don't know what's coming up this week on Supreme. Last week they did a Smurf collaboration, and that stuff sold out so quick. I was trying to get one of the Smurf skateboard decks because I know those are going for a lot on the resale market, but wasn't able to get it. It's not easy getting that stuff online. It's not at all. But you know, sometimes we get a W. I got a W on this one. But yeah, I actually like the way it fit. It looks pretty good. Definitely different than what I would normally wear. But yeah, not bad. So if you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Also hit that subscribe button like I said before. And I got some sneaker reviews coming this week. So all my sneaker heads, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, because I got some stuff coming. Got some Jordans coming, and I got some Air Max coming. So stay tuned for that review. All right. Peace and love, guys. Y'all stay safe, and y'all stay blessed, and we out.